Welcome to BuildWise 360, where construction meets clarity, your trusted source for complete insights from concept to completion in the world of construction and project delivery. We bring you practical, professional, and powerful knowledge every week. Whether you're an engineer, architect, contractor, or project owner, if you build, you belong here. Hit subscribe and join the BuildWise 360 journey, where expertise meets execution.
This methodology outlines the professional procedure for conducting excavation work up to the formation level of plain cement concrete (PCC), ensuring safety, accuracy, and compliance with project specifications. 1. Pre-excavation phase. Site assessment. Conduct a survey to identify existing underground utilities, cables, pipes, sewers, using detection equipment. Setting out. The surveyor marks the excavation boundaries, corners, and depths based on structural drawings. Clear benchmarks are established away from the site to avoid disturbance. Clearing. Remove vegetation, debris, and existing structures from the work area. Permitting. Obtain a formal permit to dig and ensure the supervisor has briefed all personnel on site-specific hazards. Safety setup. Install hard barricading around the perimeter. Erect high-visibility warning signage, e.g., deep excavation in progress. Ensure adequate lighting for night shifts and designated access/egress routes. 2. Excavation methodology. Machinery mobilization. Deploy an appropriately sized excavator. Ensure the operator is certified and the machine is inspected for leaks or defects. Layered excavation. Begin digging in controlled layers, typically 1 meter depth increments, to maintain soil stability. Slope protection. If the excavation depth exceeds 1.2 to 1.5 meters, implement protective measures such as sloping, benching, creating angled sides, e.g. 1:1.5 ratio. Shoring, strutting, using timber or steel sheets to prevent collapse in loose soil. Spoil management. Excavated material must be stored at least 1 to 3 meters away from the edge of the pit to prevent surcharge pressure leading to cave-ins. Precision finishing. As the excavation approaches the final formation level, manual labor, using pickaxes, shovels, or light machinery is used for the last 15 to 30 centimeters to prevent over-excavation and preserve the integrity of the founding stratum. 3. Monitoring and quality control. Supervision. The site supervisor must be present to direct the excavator operator. Monitor for signs of soil instability or water seepage. Ensure the bucket does not strike existing structures or buried services. Survey verification. Once the final level is reached, the surveyor verifies the floor level and dimensions against the approved shop drawings. Dewatering. If groundwater is present, install submersible pumps to keep the pit dry before proceeding to PCC work. 4. Post-excavation. Preparation for PCC. Cleaning. Remove all loose, disturbed earth or slushy soil from the bottom of the pit. Compaction. Compact the exposed subgrade using a mechanical plate compactor or rammer to reach the required density. Final inspection. Obtain a clearance for PCC from the engineer in charge after verifying the soil compaction levels and cleanliness. Safety checklist for supervisors. PPE. Hard hats, safety vests, steel-toed boots and gloves are mandatory. Blind spots. Ensure a banksman or spotter is present if the excavator is operating in a congested area. Fall prevention. Ensure access ladders are secured and edge protection is intact. Emergency. Keep a first aid kit and fire extinguisher accessible near the site entrance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it, give it a like, and subscribe for more expert content every week. Join the BuildWise 360 community where knowledge builds success. See you in the next video.